I really do enjoy doing scatter plots. And I even every now and then like word problems. I don't know about you. I know you do too. You just don't want to admit it. I see. The table shows the braking distance in feet at several speeds and miles per hour for a specific car on a dry, well-paved highway. And so we've got a chart here with speed and distance on it. Speed ranging from 10 to 70, and the distance we see here associated with those speeds. Then we're asked to create a scatter plot of the data, determine a power function to model the data, and then predict the braking distance of a car going 80 miles per hour. Shall we get on with it? I think we shall. All right, we're going to create a scatter plot, then we're going to do a power regression, and then from that, we are going to make a prediction. So let's see. First thing I need to do is see if my scatter plot is turned on. I bet it's not. It's not. Says it's off. So I'm going to plot one. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to turn it on. And I can see this type of plot right here is a scatter plot, so that's okay. So I can quit out of here. I got it turned on. And now let's go in and enter our data for a scatter plot. So I hit stat. We're going to edit. I'm going to clear out what I got here in there. And clear. And arrow down. All right, so our speeds were 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then our distances were 4.2, 16.7, up 7, whoop, 16.7, all right, 37.6, 66.9, 104.5. This is all feet, by the way. Think about that, how long it's taking. 150.5 and 204.9. All right. 4.2, 16.7, 37.6, 66.9, 104.5, 155, and 204.9. Well, let's go look and see what our graph looks like. So I'm going to go zoom, and then I'm going to choose option 9, zoom stat. All right, well, there's my scatter plot. And I do want to look at my window because I got to make a prediction about 80 when X is 80, and right now it's only going to 76. So I'm going to change that to 85. And I think everything else is okay. Let's go back and look at the graph. Yeah, it looks fine. All right, now we're going to do a power regression. So I'm going to hit Stat. I'm going to the Calc feature. And I'm going to move the cursor down until I see Power Regression. There it is. So I'm going to hit Enter. And L1, L2, I'm just going to hit Enter all the way through here. And it comes up with a equation where A is equal to 0.042, I guess, times X raised to the power, well, it's almost squared, 1.9983. Now let's put this equation into y equals, and let's see how well it matches up with our scatter plot. So I'm going to hit y equal, and then I want to do vars. I want to choose statistics because I'm using the scatter plot. I'm going over here to equation, and I'm going to choose the regression equation. And let's go look at the graph. It connects the dots pretty well. It's pretty close. I didn't pay attention to the R1, R2 values when we did it, but it must be close to 1. All right, last step. Well, by the way, probably should have written down those figures about what the power regression was. Last step, let's make our prediction. So I'm going to go second, trace or calc. I'm going to choose value. And what about when x is 80 or 80 miles per hour? How long does it take to stop? 267.2 feet. Y equals, when x is 80, y is going to equal, under this power regression, 267.28 feet. That is almost 90 yards. 90 yards would be 270 feet. Almost the length of a football field. Almost the length of a soccer field. 80 miles an hour. Think how long it takes to stop. Be careful out there driving. Speed can kill you.